Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico, and in this video I'm going to teach you something that I learned a long time ago about the concurrency control. What does this mean and how it works? Let's say that you have like a flow that takes 1 to 2 hours to run. In that flow, you are calling APIs and you are reading database a lot of the times, and you don't want to consume a lot of API calls. You don't want to take up so much from the database. And you have a flow that every time that an email comes or when a file is created, or even if it's a manually trigger like this one, you don't want to run multiple flows. You just want to run a flow and just start the other one when the first one is terminated, right? It's successful. For that, we can use this setting in our flow that is named concurrency control. By default, it is off. So if I run a flow, let's say here, this flow we created together, we just create a PDF file and send through email using Power BI data. You can watch it here at the same channel. Let's say that I will insert here a delay so I can show you what is going on. I will delay this flow for 2 minutes and save it. If I run this flow 2 times, so if I click run 2 times, let's check it out. Run flow. If I click it again, run flow. Check it out. We have 2 executions, 2 running flows, because by default, every time a trigger is called, any trigger, the flow will be started. In some cases, if you are running robot process automation, or if you, like I said, don't want to consume a lot of a database, you want to run a flow at that database and wait for the next one. Because let's think here, if we have like 10 executions reading and writing on the same database, that can be a problem, an issue for us. So in some cases, you want to run a flow, wait for the next one as in a queue. So let's cancel both of this flow. I will cancel, okay, cancel the first one. Let's go back, cancel the other one. And now I will change the setting. You can change it according to your need. So in manual trigger flow, I can go to the settings or any other trigger and turn on the limit of concurrency control. So here is how much flows do you want to run at the same time. If you want to run one by one, so you just want to run a single flow and wait until the end to start the other one, I can change this value to 1. So in that case, every time I run a flow, just one will be running, okay? I can change that for 5, 10, according to your need. But let's talk about the maximum waiting runs. I can have 10, so I will have 1 execution, right? And 10 that will be waiting to run. I have a maximum, I can change that. So if I have 1 flow running and 10 flows waiting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flows waiting, the 11th flow will be a fail, okay? So you can insert the maximum waiting runs, and the maximum is exactly how much flows do you want to have at this QA. The next one, the other ones that will be triggered will be failed. So let's check that. The minimum value to use here, it's 10, so I cannot insert any other value that is not greater than 10. So I will insert 10 here, and I will test that with you. The first test that I will do here, it's a delay. I will change here for seconds, for 20 seconds, and terminate that flow, just so we can see exactly what is going on here with a succeed. Save it. So this flow just delay for 20 seconds and terminate. And now I can show you the concurrency control. When I run a flow, let's run it, run flow, and run it again. Let's run it again. Let's check it out. We have one flow running and the other is waiting until the next one. Check it out. It's waiting, running and waiting. It will delay for 20 seconds. Let's wait. When the first flow finish, succeed, the other one just starts. And after the 20 seconds, this one will be succeed too, okay? But now I want to test it with you, the maximum waiting runs. So I will run 11 or 12 flows and see what will happen. So let's go. I will delay a little bit more so we can see it. 20 seconds, it's not that much, right? So I'm going to insert here like 2 minutes, save it, and try to run it 11. The exact number that we need to do is 12 actually, because we're going to have one running, 10 waiting, and the next one will be failed, right? So the first one, let's go. I will click it here, 1 and 2, and I will cut the video. So here I am at the 9, 10, 11, and the next one will reach the maximum. Let's check it out. The number of waiting workflow runs 10 has exceeded the maximum allowed limit of 10. So I cannot run any other flows. And if it's a scheduled flow or automatically flow that is triggered, it will returns a failed, okay? So we can see here all the runs. I cannot run any more flows, and it's a good thing to know. It's a cool piece of knowledge, and I want to share it with you for your everyday life as an end developer. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please consider to hit the thumbs up, the like button, leave your feedback down below, and also leave the word banana, so I will know that you watch it to the end. So leave your feedback and the word banana at your feedback. If you need any support on Power Platform developments, we have a company that is ready to help you with any issue that you are facing. So you can contact us. The email is down on the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider to share so we can grow up this channel, and we see you in another video, in another class, and please subscribe.